Another group of words my students often get confused with are revenir, retourner, and rentrer. All of them mean to return, but they're used in quite different ways. So let's have a look at that today. Revenir, retourner, and rentrer all have this idea of returning, but it depends on where you're returning from and where you're returning to as to which one to choose. So the first one we'll look at is retourner, and that's the one that we tend to use mainly as English speakers because it sounds like return, and if we think about returning, we think, okay, I'll use that word, retourner. But retourner is used when you are repeating a trip or an action. It's not about returning home or returning here. It's about going to a place or going back to a place that you don't live. So for example, this chap here is sitting on a sofa dreaming about going back to the Taj Mahal. I'll return there one day. Je vais retourner. Je retourne en France en avril. I'm going back to France in April. Or elle retourne au bureau après le déjeuner. She's returning to her office after lunch. On retourne au même restaurant. We're returning to the same restaurant. So we've been there before, we're going back, but it's not somewhere we live. So that's retourner. The next one is revenir. And revenir, you can see the word venir in there, which means to come. So revenir actually means to come back. So the idea here is that it is movement back towards the speaker or the place that you're talking from. So if I was talking to my friend here at the cafe and I wanted to say, I'll be back in a minute, I'm coming back in a minute, then I'm returning back to where I am speaking from right now. Okay, so je reviens. Je reviens demain. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm coming back tomorrow to this place where I'm talking from now. Or je reviens dans 5 minutes. I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'm coming back in 5 minutes to where I am right now. Tu reviens à la maison. Are you coming back to the house where I am right now, where I'm speaking to you from right now? Tu reviens à la maison. So are you coming back, to come back to somewhere where you are speaking from? And then the last one is rentrer. Rentrer is the idea of returning to your base, returning home, returning inside. So if you think about rentrer as going back home, you actually don't need to say je rentre and then say the word home again afterwards. You can literally just say je rentre, which gives the idea of I'm going back home. So I've got here je rentre à la maison. I'm going back home to my house. Okay, je rentre à la maison. We could literally just say je rentre, and then that's the idea of I'm going back home. Il rentre du travail, like this. This is the example of that. Il rentre du travail. He comes back home from work. On rentre tôt ce soir. We're coming back home early tonight. We're coming back to our base. We're coming back home. Like I say, you can also use it to mean inside. So it would be if you were saying to for example, the dog, come on, come back inside. Allez, rentre. Come back inside. It's raining outside. So revenir is to come back here. Yeah, come back here to where I'm speaking from. Rentrer is to go back home, to re-enter your house or to go back inside. Think of the re-enter. And then retourner is to go back again to somewhere where you don't live. Here's a little quiz to help you remember. So remember, you can pause me at any time and then give yourself a bit of a chance to think. And then when you press play again, I'll give you the answer. So the first one, il est tard. Je vais something à la maison. It is late. Je vais something à la maison. I'm going to something home. So what are we doing? We're going back to our place where we live. So it's going to be je vais rentrer à la maison. Number 2. Je suis en vacances à l'étranger. I'm on holiday abroad. Je something en France la semaine prochaine. Je retourne en France la semaine prochaine. So we're not talking about coming back to our house. we're saying we're just coming back to France. I'm returning to France. Tu peux something ici 2 minutes, s'il te plaît? Can you something here for 2 minutes, please? So I'm speaking and I'm asking them to come to me. So tu peux revenir ici 2 minutes, s'il te plaît? Can you come back to me for 2 minutes? Après le travail, elle something directement chez elle. After work, she straight to her house. Remember, chez plus a person is somebody's house. So after work, she's something straight to her house. So the one that's about going back home is rentre. Elle rentre directement chez elle. On a adoré ce restaurant. On va something samedi. We loved this restaurant. We are going on Saturday. So here, we love this restaurant. We're going to go back on Saturday. We're going back to somewhere where we don't live. So it's going to be retourner. On va retourner samedi. Je suis sortie 5 minutes. Je tout de suite. I've gone out for 5 minutes. I'm such and such, or I such and such straight away. Tout de suite. Straight away, immediately. We sometimes hear it as tout de suite in English. So I've gone out for 5 minutes. I will be back. I'm coming back straight away. So I'm coming back. Je reviens. I'm coming back straight away. Coming back to where I started from. Il fait froid, les enfants. Il faut something à l'intérieur. It's cold, children. You must come back inside. So we're talking about coming inside here. So this is the one that takes over from to come here, because we're talking about inside. Remember, inside or your house, you need to use rentrer. Il faut rentrer à l'intérieur. Tu pars maintenant or tu something plus tard? Are you off now or are you coming back later? Tu reviens plus tard. I hope that was helpful.